Hey everyone! In this video, we will learn the Nextdoor app tutorial. Nextdoor is an app that connects you with people in your neighborhood. First, download the app and create an account using your real name and address for verification. Once registered, you can customize your profile with a photo and any details you want to share. The home feed shows posts from your neighbors about local events, safety updates, and recommendations. You can join conversations by commenting on posts or creating your own to ask for advice or share information. To find items for sale or sell things, go to the For Sale and Free section. You can also report suspicious activities to keep your neighborhood safe. Nextdoor has a kindness reminder that encourages respectful interactions. You can message neighbors privately for more personal conversations. Lastly, explore the app settings to adjust notifications and privacy options. With these simple steps, you'll be able to enjoy using Nextdoor and stay connected with your community. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.